Hi, I'm Christopher Hart. I'm the author of many best-selling books on how to draw anime and manga. And I specialize in books for the beginner, but books where beginners want to have fun, not just learn. And this is my biggest book ever. A whopping 240 pages. It has everything you need. Here's just a taste of what you'll get from the table of contents. Mastering anime eyes and hairstyles. Expressions that every anime artist needs to know. Creating outfits. Character design. The 9 must-know genres of anime. And the part that I think is really exciting, I just haven't seen it anywhere else, is 3 important interviews. The first one is with an anime director out of Japan working in Japan. She'll tell you what it's like to work in Japan and in America in animation studios. The second is with an intellectual property attorney. Everyone wants to know how to protect their characters. What should they do? And he's going to give you some tips that you can use. The third is a well-known graphic novelist who tells you how she finds inspiration and keeps going. This is a roadmap for you to learn how to draw anime, the kind of characters you've always wanted to draw. I hope you enjoy it. Take care.